So we're going to move on. That's just the start. The challenge was to put what's on your mind. And so they have it where they want us to expand beyond this code. So they give you this code here where they want you to type in hello, print. Here's a picture of a dog. And what's going to happen is you can already see there's a glitch in the code already. So when I go to run this, you're going to see that there's going to be an error because when I use this apostrophe for here's, there's a glitch. It treats it as if this is part of my code. See how we have up here what's hello? It's how it reads it down here. So the way to bypass that is to put in the good old backslash right in there. And so now I can clear this out and I run it. And now it types it in right over here. And so that's one workaround. If you're going to use apostrophes and the things that you're printing, you got to make sure that some of your syntax doesn't correspond with the coding lingo. And now we can get into a little bit further down. We can start to create our characters using the ASCII characters. And so watch this. And this is what I think a lot of you are going to have just a blast trying to create some images here. And so I can type in, let's see, we'll go with O, and then I'm going to do some lowercase for the dog like they have in the example. And then we're going to do one more here. We're going to go print. And then I got to space this out. I'm going to use the straight line. Let's see here. There we go. All right, so I think that kind of looks like a dog, right? So now if I run this, here's my picture of a dog. So the challenge that we have on this first one for what's on your mind, we want to print something a little more interesting. So we want you to get going on creating your own character. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so the next challenge is called the About Yourself, where we want to use the ASCII art and tell us a little something about ourselves. So I'm going to go to New Trinket. I'm going to choose Python. Even though I know we're coding in Python 3, this requires some paid features. And so if you don't have that, just go to Python. And I'm actually just going to paste in my code from before. So this, lets us know we're going to be running Python 3. And this is what I had in the previous challenge about what's on my mind. And so I don't want this print here. I don't need that. So I'm going to back this up. People call me Coffee Chug. And then I'm going to change this to say, I love coffee. And now I'm going to try to create a coffee cup. So this is where I think you guys are going to be amazing because as students, you guys are way creative. So here we go. I'm going to see what I can do here. I'm going to go, oh, I don't want capital. I'm going to print. And then 1, 2, 3. I'm going to try this. 1, 2, 3. All right. And I'm just going to copy this for my own sakes. Command C or Control C. I'm going to paste. And I think I try to create some steam here. So I don't know if this will work. If I go like, oh, not a 9. All right. So I might have to bump that over. There we go. Kind of looks like steam, sort of. No? Let's keep going. All right, and then we'll go here again. And now let's create a, oh, we don't want that for a bracket. How about we try that? And then I'm going to weave in an underscore. And then the other side. It's kind of like a coffee cup, huh? So we'll go ahead and run that. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful cup of coffee there, isn't it? So we can have some fun with that. I'm just going to keep playing around with my coffee cup. But there you go. So the challenge about yourself. Some of you are way more creative and can develop some high level stuff. You know, I'm gonna run that. Okay, so I'm gonna keep playing around with this and see what I can come up with. But in the meantime, there it is. I love coffee. There's my beautiful little coffee cup. What can you create whenever you've got it? You know, we can go through and we save it. Oops, saving it in the wrong spot here. I can change the name right here. So I'm going to call it the About Yourself right there. I'm going to go to share. I'm going to grab my link. I'm going to copy. I'm going to jump over to my website here to the About Yourself. I can submit my work right in here. I know who I am, but I'll put that in there. Boom. And we get it submitted. All right, guys. Best of luck in your creation, and I cannot wait to see what you create and develop and share with the world because I know it's going to be awesome. All right, guys. Best of luck.